In this video, I'm going to show you how to use DeepSeek for language translation in 2025. Whether you're a student, traveler, business owner, or content creator, DeepSeek can help you translate text quickly and accurately between multiple languages. Not only does it provide basic translations, but it also understands context, tone, and nuances, making it more reliable than traditional translation tools. You can even use it for formal documents, casual conversations, and even slang translations. So let's get started. To begin, using DeepSeek for translation is super simple. You just enter text in one language and ask DeepSeek to translate it into another. But there are some powerful ways to enhance your translations, and I'll show you exactly how. For a basic translation, you can say something like, "Translate the following text from English to Spanish. Hello, how are you today?" Here, DeepSeek translated the text into Spanish. But what if you need something more specific? Let's say you're writing a business email and you want it to sound professional. You can ask, "Translate this email from English to French in a formal tone. Dear Sir, Madam, I am writing to inquire about the status of my application. Please let me know if any additional documents are required. Thank you." Here, DeepSeek translated the text into French. Now, what if you want a more casual translation? Maybe you're texting a friend in German and want it to sound natural. You can say, "Translate this to German in a friendly and casual tone. Hey man, what's up? Are we still meeting later?" Here, DeepSeek translated the text into German. You can even ask for translations with a specific dialect or slang. For example, translate this to Mexican Spanish with a casual and friendly tone. Let's grab some tacos later. Here, DeepSeek translated it into Mexican. And if you're a content creator or business owner and need a translation for marketing purposes, you can ask DeepSeek to make it engaging. For example, translate this English ad to Italian and make it sound persuasive. Our new fitness program will help you lose weight fast. Join today for amazing results. Here, DeepSeek translated it into Italian. In addition to translating simple text, DeepSeek also allows you to upload documents for translation. You don't have to worry about manually copying and pasting long paragraphs or files anymore. Instead, you can upload your document and simply ask DeepSeek to translate it from one language to another. This feature makes it even easier for those dealing with official documents, emails, or even creative content in different languages. For example, let's say you have a document written in Urdu and you want to translate it into English. You can simply upload the document and ask DeepSeek, "Please translate this document from Urdu to English." And DeepSeek will process the text and provide the translation. Let's try an example. If you have a file where something like this is written in Urdu and you want to translate this into English, you can ask DeepSeek, "Translate this from Urdu to English." Here, DeepSeek translated the text into English as, "How is your day going?" So, as you can see, DeepSeek is not just a translator. It adapts to different tones, contexts, and audiences, making it a powerful tool for all kinds of translations. And that's how you can use DeepSeek for language translation in 2025. Whether you need formal translations, casual conversations, or marketing content, DeepSeek has you covered. Try it out and see how it can improve your translations.